Today I am sharing healthy dal soup for dinner. This warm, nourishing dal soup is perfect for weight loss, detox and boosting your immunity. Made with the simple lentils, mild spices and goodness of vegetables, it is light yet protein-packed meal that keeps you full and energetic. Welcome to Sathvik Lifestyle. Let us start with the recipe. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of moong dal or green gram dal and 1 spoon of toor dal. Wash them thoroughly and soak it in water for 2 to 3 hours. Soaking for more time helps for easy digestion and saves your time while cooking. After 2 to 3 hours of soaking, take 2 cups of water in a pot and bring it to boil. Transfer the soaked dal into it. Along with this, I have taken 1 small cup of roughly chopped bottle gourd or lauki. Here the bottle gourd is very tender, so I have used outer skin also. Bottle gourd is known for its cooling, hydrating, detoxifying and weight loss friendly property. It is one of the best alkaline food. You can use any other vegetable of your choice. 1 small cup of carrot washed and roughly chopped without peeling the skin. Vegetable peel contains high fiber, so try to use vegetable peel as much as possible. Carrot is known for its high vitamin content and is good for eye health, glowing skin, boosting immunity and weight management. 1-inch sized ginger which boosts metabolism. Add pinch of turmeric and pink Himalayan salt as per taste. Cover a lid and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. If you don't have time, you can use pressure cooker also, but preferably open cooking is best. Now let us check. Here dal and vegetables are cooked perfectly. Switch off the flame and allow it to cool. After complete cooling, transfer everything into a blender and blend smooth. Transfer to kadai. Adjust the consistency by adding water. Add freshly ground pepper powder as per your taste. Pinch of asafoetida to pacify the gas. 1 twig of fresh curry leaves and bring it to boil. Boil it for 5 minutes. This soothing dal soup is a perfect balance of taste, comfort and nutrition. Rich in protein from dal, fiber from bottle gourd and antioxidants from carrot, it helps in weight management, supports immunity and keeps your body light and clean. Try this nourishing dal soup and feel the difference in your body and mind and let me know how it has turned out. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe for more healing and healthy recipes. See you in the next video. Till then,